Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the age restriction on Call of Duty using the latest technical diagnostic protocols. Let's get into it. First, to find information on this process via the PlayStation support page, you would typically browse by the account and security category. This high-end section handles all logistics related to account management, creating and managing professional profiles, family management, handling child accounts and parental control overrides, privacy and security, ensuring your high-end credentials and data tunnels are protected. Next, initialize the Technical Studio graduation protocol. Sign in to your PlayStation Network account on your console or through a high-end web browser. When the Upgrade Your Account notification appears, technically select Upgrade Now to start the latest graduation sequence. It technically ensures your studio environment is no longer throttled by parental control limits during the latest high-intensity sessions. Next, execute the latest web-based account authorization. Go to the official PlayStation account management site and technically sign in with your high-end credentials. Locate and select the Upgrade Your Account option to technically confirm your transition to a professional adult status for the latest session. This step points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels for your profile are fully open and unrestricted. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.